Hey guys, if you saw that your request was declined due to some unusual activity on Temu, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to launch your application, get logged into your account. This usually happens when Temu thinks your account is unprotected. So for that, select Use section, then select this Settings button. Now here what you have to do is you have to make sure that the email addresses that you have provided is correct. Your name should be correct and the country and region should also be correct. Now next what you could try is you could long tap onto your Temu, select the eye icon. You will get landed onto a settings page, so go ahead, select storage and clear cache. Sometimes deleting the data will also help. So select clear data, read all these and select delete. But if you delete it, you might be able to re-log in. It will ask you to enter your credentials again. Now lastly, select force stop, then select OK. Now restart your device, launch your Temu, and it will definitely work.